Nathaniel, and I'll be doing Joanna's voiceover for her makeup today. She starts by putting on some lip gloss while swaying, as she usually does when she's bored. But takes out some cream and squirts it, like she usually does. Puts it around her eye, her under eye, her nose. Look at that double chin. Oh, okay. Takes out this another cream. Is that concealer? Yeah, I think so. Takes out this concealer, puts it on her under eye. Takes out this another cream, puts it on her cheeks, on her chin, and takes out this cream. I don't know why she has to put it on her hand before she... Okay, rubs it all together. All over the place. More rubbing, more dabbing. Takes out Chanel powder. That's a lot of money. That's $1. That's $2 used. That's a lot of money. Chanel's expensive. It's a waste of money. Oh. Okay, puts on some eyeliner. Puts on more eyeliner on her other eye. Brow. Is confused. NARS. What the heck is NARS? Is that soap? What's she saying? Oh, it's blush. She puts on some blush to lighten up her face because it just looks so droopy and sad, and she looks bored. She straightens her eyelashes, which I don't even see. Her non-existent eyelashes. Straightens her eyelashes even more, dips it in some fluid, some ink, some black ink. Straightens her under eyelashes. I think that's what it's called. No clue. Takes out some liquid, some water, and sprays it all over her face. She's refreshed. Now here comes the eye. What's this called again? I got this. The eyelashes, yeah. I can't believe I forgot what that was called. The eyelashes, puts it in eyelash glue and puts it over her eye. I don't even know how she takes this out. It must hurt yanking off eyelashes with eyelash glue stuck to your face. Oh, she's done. That was quick. Wait, is she done? No, she's not done. More stuff. What is that? MAC. Put some more cream on her face to give some dimension to it, and in between her eyes to make her eyes stand out, make her eyes look bigger. I mean, she already has Asian eyes, right? So gotta make it look bigger. Puts more. Is that lipstick? Put some lipstick. Puts more lipstick. And is that another lipstick? What is that? More lipstick? No. Something that does not make a difference to the color of her lips. I have no idea what that is. And she's done. Oh, she's not. She's got to straighten her hair as if it's not straight already. Casually straighten her hair. And now she's done. Time to pose for the camera. Thank you guys for listening to this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. She is not done posing yet. Gotta pose for the camera even more. As if she hasn't done enough. Gotta show those boobs more.